Hi there, Ailey here. So today I'm going to take you through Evernote templates. It's been a while since I've done an Evernote video. So Evernote have recently launched the opportunity to have templates in your Evernote. Awesome, love it. So I want to take you through it, show you what you can do, how you can set up your own templates. So let's share our screen. Okay, so here I am on the Evernote website online. So this is where I'm just here, evernote.com/templates. So here you can see all of the templates that you have available that they've created for you. So there's different collections for work. So if I click on that one, you can see that there's getting things done templates, there's brainstorming templates, all sorts of things. Let's have a look at this one. Areas of responsibility, individual projects, weekly review. That's a nice one. So if I click on that, it will take you to the template. Gives you a little description. And here's the template. Okay, so if you want to start using that, there are some tips in here. They've given you tips for using that specific one. But if you want to put that into your Evernote, you can just save template, open Evernote. So this will go to, if I click straight on there, it'll go to my Evernote online, but I prefer to use the app version on my computer because it's much quicker. The search is quicker, and I just like the layout better. So I'm going to click over there so that you can see. But you can see here there's lots of different templates, personal well-being, daily recharge, all sorts of ones that you can have in there. Project management templates, project budget, project overview. It's not too much, but lots of different ones. You can have a look around, see if there's any ones that you like that you can then kind of tweak for later. Okay, I'll see you over in my Evernote. Okay, so here's my Evernote, and I am going to create a new note. So you can see already that I have this choice of template, choose a template. So if I go here, I can decide to pull one of these if I like to, or I can create mine. If I click down here, takes you back to the list that was on the Evernote website. So this is one I created earlier. Basically, I took this one, copied these details, and pasted them here. Then I just really, what did I do? I put it into a table. And same with that one. So then up where next to share, I can call this template. The three dots up here. So you can see now in this menu is save as template. So I can call it blog one template because I have already saved one, and save. Creating a template. Awesome. So there you go. You can choose from one of theirs. You can adjust one of theirs, or you can create your own. So now when I create a new note, I can click on template, and here's the one I just created. Here's the one I created before. So I can enter straight in and have a new template for each blog to help me draft the blog, to prompt all the things that I need. So some good examples of what else you can use these for, the templates for, might be coaching notes. If you're a coach, you could use the notes for coaching to help so that you can have consistency in the process that you take people through in each session or overall. You can use it as a monthly or weekly planner, or a content plan for the week or the month. So there's lots of things you can do. This is available in the free version, I'm pretty sure, so you can have it and get started straight away. If you want any more information about Evernote or the templates or setting them up, how to use Evernote, I am an Evernote certified consultant. I can answer all your questions. So hit me up and let me know. Thanks. See you later.